Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today is your physics test. So let's revise chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. Firstly we will discuss weather. What is weather? The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, rainfall, humidity, etc. is called the weather at that place. And elements of weather are temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, etc. The Meteorological Department of the Government of India prepares the weather report based on the data collected by scientific instrument. Uh, it gives information about maximum and minimum temperature of the day of the past 24 hours, and it gives the time of moon rise, moon set, the time of sunrise and sunset, and it also gives information about rainfall, humidity, wind speed, etc. So the scientists who study about the weather known as meteorologist, and the science in which we study about the weather is known as meteorology. So the meteorological department of the government of India prepares the weather report, and the scientists who study about weather is known as meteorologist, and the science in which we study about the weather is known as meteorology. The elements of weather recorded by some scientific instrument like temperature measured by maximum and minimum thermometer. You know that there are different types of thermometer like clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to check the body temperature, and laboratory thermometer used in lab like when we have to check the temperature of boiling water, we use laboratory thermometer. And maximum and minimum thermometer is used to check the weather temperature. You know that maximum temperature of the day is usually recorded in afternoon, and minimum temperature is recorded in the early morning. Rainfall, uh, we use instrument to measure the rainfall, rain gauge. So the instrument which is used to measure the rainfall is rain gauge. Humidity. What is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere is known as humidity, and this humidity is measured by the instrument that is known as hygrometer. What is known as hygrometer? Wind speed is measured with the help of anemometer, and wind direction is measured with the help of wind vane. So these are the elements of weather, and these are the scientific instrument by which we we use to check the temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed, and wind direction. Next is climate. As weather is a short-term variation, climate is a long-term variation. The average weather pattern takes over a long time, about 25 to 30 years, is called a climate. And the factors that affecting the climate: distance from the sea or oceans, ocean currents, prevailing wind directions, human activities like industrialization and cutting of trees. These are the factors that affect the climate of at a particular place. And human activities like industrialization and cutting of trees. These are the human activities which also affect the climate. Different animals are adapted to themselves in their specific region. So the characteristics or features of an organism which enables them to live in a particular habitat is known as adaptations. Polar bears, penguins, these are some animals that live in polar regions. So how they adapt to themselves that enables them to live in polar regions. Here are some adaptation in a polar bear. First, it has two thick layer of fur that protect it from the extreme cold, and it has a thick layer of fat, and this thick layer of fat called blubber that insulates their body from the cold and keeps it warm. It has a strong sense of animals. It has a strong sense of smell which enables it to locate and catch prey. It has wide and large paws which help to swimming and walking, and their curved and sharp claws makes it provides good grip which helps it to walk on ice. So these are some adaptation in a polar bear which enables them to survive in polar regions. And adaptations in penguins. They have white fur on their belly which merge their body with their surroundings. They have thick layer of fat under the skin which protects them from the cold, and their body is streamlined. They have webbed feet which enables them to swim in water, and they huddle together in groups. Huddled means to keep close. So all penguins lived in groups which makes them warm in that climate. As animals living in polar regions adapt themselves according to their climate, animals of tropical rainforest also adapt themselves according to uh, their climate. Some animals of tropical rainforest are elephant, red-eyed frog, toucan, lion-tailed macaque, monkeys. All these are the animals of tropical rainforest. As you know that tropical rainforest have a variety of animals. So some animal adaptation in animals of tropical rainforest. First, adaptation in toucan. Toucan is a bird that possesses a long and large beak which helps it to reach the fruits of branches. These branches are too weak to support the weight of that bird. So it has long and large beak which has to reach the fruits of branches. Adaptation in red-eyed frog. It has sticky pads on its feet that help it to climb on trees on which it lives. In this way, different animals have different adaptation. Like lion-tailed macaque has, has a silver white mane that surround the head from the cheeks down to the chin, and it is also known as beard ape. And adaptation in monkeys, they have long tails to grasp branch, and their feet and hands are such that they easily hold the branches of trees. Elephants have big trunks which they use as a nose and catch the food, and their tusk used to tear the bark of trees and for fighting enemies, and they use their large ears to hear very soft sound which enable them to sense danger and to run away to protect themselves from their predators. So in this way, different animals living in different climatic conditions adapt themselves. I hope this chapter is clear to you? For today's test, you will get a link. You have to open that link, and here will be objective type question. You have to read these questions carefully and tick the correct option. And after, you have to click on submit option. And I hope all of you will do your best. All the best.